Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and I have to share with you this amazing neck air conditioner from Antinanco. So I was looking for a neck fan to combat the summer heat, but this is that and more. So it does have a fan, and the fan has 3 speeds according to your needs. Where I have been living, it is June, and we have been having multiple days over 100 degrees, and it's not even July yet. So having this fan around my neck has been such a relief for keeping me cool when I've been outside. However, it is more convenient than a handheld fan as it just sits around my neck. However, my favorite feature is not the fan, but the 3 metal plates that are around the inside. So when turned on, these can get ice cold and they rest against your skin on your neck, and I cannot overstate how much of a difference they make. It's like having an ice pack resting against your skin. And it doesn't stop there. It also has a heating mode. So this is great for those who also live in cold climates. You can wear it outside in the winter. I also love using the heating modes when my neck is hurt or tight because it just feels so nice on the skin and just very relaxing. It also has a 10-hour battery life, and it's just comfortable to wear. You never really notice it around your neck. So if you want a fan that will actually keep you cool when you're outside in the summer, this neck air conditioner is for you. So try it for yourself, and that is my point of view.